If you're an Amazon seller, here's a little hack for you. If you're struggling to find profitable products, I'm about to share with you a brand new way that you can find products to sell that you never knew could make you extra money. And the best part is, you can do it from the comfort of your home without going from store to store trying to find products that are gonna make extra money for your family. Stay tuned until the very end where I'm gonna share 11 products that we've sold that helped us do $5.3 million in Amazon sales, and I'll be answering your questions live. Progress over perfection. I have an Amazon client who just started her journey selling on Amazon, but she's already taking huge action, y'all. I want to give a shout out to Kayla, who was in the middle of her server shift when she made her first 4 sales on Amazon. The items had just gone active the previous day, then she made 2 more sales while she was sleeping. I can't promise that you'll get rich quick like some of the gurus, but I can promise that I can help you quit trading your time for money. So if you want to be our next Amazon success story, just head to CajunVenturesMo.com for a free training to learn how. I'm Morgan Rainey, but you can call me Lil Mo, and I teach normal everyday people just like you and me how to get over fear and launch and grow your own Amazon FBA business to make extra money. And today I'm going to be sharing with you exactly how I find products that you can sell on Amazon using online arbitrage and one of my favorite tools, smartscout. This product I'm going to share with you today can make you thousands every single month on Amazon, and it's from one of the most famous gas stations in all of the South. 5 quick tips. Check to make sure you're even allowed to sell an item before you spend 1 penny on it. Don't compete with Amazon or the brand directly. It ain't worth it. Try to find items you can buy in bulk so you can work smarter, not harder. Find items that are already selling, not items you like. I'll show you how. Use tools that find products for you, like this one. If you want to be the first millionaire in your family, comment beaver nuggets. You'll find out why later. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss out on these free videos and live trainings we do every Wednesday at noon Central Time. And make sure you hit thumbs up because it took a lot of energy to make this, and I want you to make as much money as possible. Last week, I used smartscout to find a new brand to sell on Amazon, and it has only been active on Amazon for 7 days, y'all. And in those 7 days, we have gotten 131 orders, and at $20 each, that is a total sales in 1 week of $2,620. And we are transparent here, that wasn't profit. Our profit was about 30% margins. So in 7 days, we made about $786. And here's exactly how I found it. Welcome to my computer screen. This is where the magic happens. So if you go to smartscout.com, you are going to get offered a 7-day free trial. But we reached out to the owner because we really saw the power of this tool, and he gave us free 30-day trial for all of you. You just have to use the code CajunVentures, all caps, at CajunVenturesMo.com/smartscout. This is how you use the brands tool on smartscout to find hot items that other sellers are not finding. So you want to go to the home section and click on brands. I made you this totally free playlist with 3 more ways to find products with smartscout. So you are just going to click use brands, and then we are going to search for a brand. Which one are we going to go with? The most famous gas station? Buc-ee's, baby. I was trying to think, what do people know and love, but it's hard to get to them because they're not everywhere, and Buc-ee's fit the bill. So if you're not sure what to search, go look in your cabinet, go find anything. You could search any brand. So then I am going to hit search, and this is what is so powerful about smartscout. Bam, baby, there's Buc-ee's. They do 108K in monthly sales. Okay, they do over 6,660 monthly units. Well, how can we monetize this? That is the question. If you click this little, what is that thing called? A magnifying glass. You can see all the details. You can see all the sellers that sell this, all the products they carry. So I want to see the products because I want to know, how can I make a buck off Buc-ee's? So I'm gonna search it. That was cheesy, I know. I'm gonna search it by the most monthly revenue, and I should have known it's the freaking beaver nuggets. So if you click on the ASIN, you can open it up on Amazon because we want to see how many bags is it, what's it selling for, can we make money off of it. These are the famous beaver nuggets. And these babies, for 2 bags of these little sweet treats, $21.95. Are you freaking kidding me? What do they put in those things? So I want to know, is that actually going to be profitable for us to sell? Well, I don't have a Buc-ee's right by me, so what I did is I went on Google and asked in my Facebook group for our clients, and it looks like these are about $3.99. So that's pretty freaking crazy. So I want to see if it's profitable. This is one of my other favorite tools, selleramp, which shows you, if you're actually allowed to sell it. So your total, all you have to do is enter your total cost right here, $7.98. So right now it's selling for $21.95. So let's say we sell it for $21.95, and it's showing you right here your profit margin is going to be $3.52 for every single sale. So let's say you get 1,211 monthly sales. Oh my gosh. You can make $4,262 in 1 month just selling this one product from Buc-ee's. And if you go back to smartscout, you can see that they have so many other products. They have these glazed pecan pralines, this barbecue sauce. What you want to do is look at these products that are probably selling for a price point of at least $15 to $20 each. Then you can go to whatever brand or store it is, maybe even reach out if you can set up a wholesale account with them. You are just the middleman or middlewoman, and you are gonna take the money and run, and it's as easy as that, y'all. Since you stayed until the very end, I'm gonna share with you some product ideas that we've actually sold and have made us thousands of dollars. So what does green Kool-Aid, Gas X capsules, and Adidas hats all have in common? All three help me and my partner quit jobs we hate to sell on Amazon full time. If you want to see even more products in a totally free guide that we made for you, you can grab it here. Thanks for watching today's training on how to find products to sell on Amazon. If you found this video valuable, make sure you hit subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any future trainings like this one.
I'll see you on the next video.
Now y'all go make that money.